Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear, and we're going to fire the grill. It's a bright sunny day out, so why not? And we're going to do some stadium brats and some hot dogs and some stuffed portabella mushrooms. We're going to get over here and we'll show you what we got. Alright y'all, this is what we got. We got our baby portabella mushrooms here, stuffed with bacon and cheese. And forgot for my vegetarian friends, we have a portabella mushroom cap we're going to grill up here. It's got a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder on it. And then of course, you got to have the all beef jumbo franks. We're going to grill those suckers up. And then over here on this side, we've got the Johnsonville Stadium brats. So stay tuned. We're going to get those suckers on the grill and get them cooking. We'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, we got them stuffed mushrooms up there cooking away. Of course we got the big old portabella mushroom there. We'll toss them dogs and the sausages on here in a few. The mushrooms will take a lot longer to cook because the stadium brats are fully cooked. And you just basically got to warm up the hot dogs too. So, you know, we'll bring it back when we get these in here mostly cooked and throw on the brats. Alright y'all, the mushrooms are all done there, and the way you can tell that they're done is when you kind of squeeze them there a little bit. They're soft. They're still firm, but they're soft, so you don't want to overcook them because they won't be very good. And we're going to flip this one over, and this one here, that one there is definitely good because it's good and soft. So I'm going to throw them up there on the top rack, get my stadium brats and my jumbo franks, get them thrown on there, and we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, there you go. We got the mushrooms all done. Got more sausages and hot dogs up there. These ones are all done here. We'll get these taken in the house. We'll get them all plated up, and we'll do a little taste test for y'all. Alright y'all, got that all plated up. We got some also another addition to the meal here is we got this traditional Polish salad. It's like a coleslaw or sauerkraut kind of stuff, but I don't really it's a pickled cabbage like. So let's try this big old mushroom here. That is so good on the grill. I gotta have one of these stuffed mushrooms here. Now, remember, if I've told you or not, this is stuffed with like a Colby Jack and bacon. So, good as always. Of course, you know the stadium brats and hot dogs are gonna be delicious. You can't hardly beat that. We're gonna stuff a little bit of this in our face too. That pickled stuff is such a compliment to this. So, alright y'all, hope you enjoyed that cooking video there, as we do as every Wednesday. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, hit that like or hit that share button, share it out, leave me a comment down on the bottom, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, ring the bell, get notifications for everything we do here. Stuff we do out in the garage, stuff we do here in the kitchen, or even on the grill. Pretty soon, we're going to be doing some tractor pulling, so we're going to be adding that there to it too. Appreciate y'all stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one. Bear appetit.